as the plane plummeted from the sky.
A tiny calico cat huddled in her carrier, trembling. The passengers, faced with an impossible choice, made a decision that defied logic. They strapped the last parachute to the feline's cage. With a gentle push, the cat was sent into the vast blue. Her emerald eyes wide with fear, she tumbled through the air, her soft meows lost in the roaring wind. Just as hope seemed lost, a majestic eagle appeared beside her, its powerful wings steadying her descent. Together they glided towards the earth, an unlikely pair united by fate. They say the cat landed safely, cradled by leaves. Now, whenever she hears the cry of an eagle, she looks to the heavens, remembering the day she flew and the friend who taught her courage.